Here, you forgot your other half.
What?
Look.
Go put it in the basket.
Put it your egg.
You got 15 of them. Count. How many you got already?
Look.
3.
Wow. Go find more.
Come on, no candy yet.
Baby, get your basket.
Oh, there is. I found it.
Where?
Over here.
Okay, pick it up and put it in the basket.
What's that? Egg. Oh. I think.
Chicky on there. Okay, put that in here. We eat that later, not now. Okay, go get your other egg.
Whoa.
Go find the other egg, baby. You have 15 more to go.
What?
Oh, I got 2 of them. Okay, go get the other egg you found. Before the bunny rabbit comes and takes it again. She has no problem finding
You
these things.
want it?
Huh?
Oh. What's in there?
Same thing as the other ones. Oh, maybe that one doesn't open.
Go find more.
Maybe it's
Quick.
glued.
I wanted it.
No, after.
Oh.
You haven't had breakfast yet.
Oh, the what? Big egg.
Yes.
I got it.
Okay,
Yes.
there's more.
Okay, go find more.
Here, you're supposed to be carrying this, not me.
Yeah.
All right, get down
Get that first, baby.
Okay, let's go.
What's that one?
I don't know.
Go
You
looking
gotta-
for
you
it.
gotta Look.
Right here.
Not here?
You sure? You better look
Go
some
look
more.
good. Go
Look
look good.
all around.
How many you got already?
I don't know. She's been putting them. Let me see.
Bunny rabbit.
Yeah, okay, let's see how many we have here. We have 1, 2,
Oh,
3, 4. Okay.
4. Okay, 11 more, baby.
it did.
Okay, let's find the other ones. Look around. Let's put this here for now.
Where? Oh. Hey, looking for the egg. Looking for more.
Look.
Look nice.
What is that one?
I see another one. And you went right past it.
Right there. She didn't see it.
Oh, what's in there?
What? No.
Another. I see the one.
Yeah, uh-huh. Okay, put it in there. Let's go look for more.
Let's go to the mama.
Okay.
Look around real good. Look up, look down, look all over. 'Cause I see one right in front of my eyes.
Oh, there it is. Father one.
Yay!
What's in there?
What's in
Same
there?
thing.
What?
A bunny.
Oh, more bunny.
Mmm.
Okay, go find more. You got a lot more to go, baby.
With fly. Chocolate.
Chocolate.
See?
Finding chocolate.
This.
Okay, let's go find the others.
This way.
Come on.
Look good for it.
There.
No, that's not one, silly.
Looking for the egg.
What egg?
Ooh,
What egg?
I don't know.
You
gotta
gotta, you
look.
gotta keep looking for it, baby.
Hi, Mama. There it is.
Where?
Find it.
Oh, yeah.
I got it.
Whoa.
Whoop!
Whoa.
Yeah.
Put everything in the basket.
Yeah. We found it.
Yeah. Okay, look around.
Oh, there. Mama. Hi, here.
Uh-huh.
Oh, there. No one. Over there.
Yes. Put in your basket.
One on my face.
Uh.
Here.
Oh. Another one.
Oops.
Did you get it? Okay.
What's that one?
I don't know.
Chicky.
Looking for more. Looking good. Go ahead.
There is
Where?
over there.
Oh.
Where?
Over there, Mom.
Oh,
Okay.
okay.
Whoop!
Yeah.
Put that, where did I put that big one?
Mm.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
Oh, there.
Where?
Over there.
Oh.
I found it.
You found it. Whoops.
The more egg.
Uh-huh. I think he left 3 more you have to find. 1 big one and 2 little ones.
3.
Yeah.
3.
Yes.
I saw 3.
Hi,
2,
here.
3. Where's the other one?
Underneath the pink thing.
Pink.
The walking thing.
Oh, they're black. Ah!
Yeah, you got another one. What's in there, baby?
One egg. Oops. Hi, my dress. Hi, my dress.
Yeah, 2 more little ones and 1 big one.
Where's that one?
I don't know. You gotta look.
Keep looking.
They're picky.
Oh, wait a minute. That was 3. Okay, we got 1 more little one and 1 big one.
2 more.
Which is the one? 1,
Go.
2. Yep. 2.
She don't even know where she hid it.
I know. 2 more. 2 more little ones.
Go
and
looking
one-
for more, baby. It's more.
Immersion thing.
It's more hiding.
Oh. Oh, no. First you gonna get it.
He got-
Where's that one?
I don't know. Look.
Keep looking.
Check your dollies over there. Maybe they're by your dollies, you think?
Your baby doll.
Go look maybe in your carriage or something. I don't know where he hid it.
No, over here. There is.
See? That's what I thought. Because I saw the bunny rabbit hopping around here hiding them.
No.
Grandma
no.
can't keep track of where he went.
They're bottom.
Oh, wow. Okay, I think 1 more little one and 1 big one.
Oh.
What?
Not here.
No. I think it's over there somewhere, by the toy chest somewhere. Maybe it's on the floor. I don't know.
No.
Yeah,
It's not Thursday.
yeah, I'm pretty sure it is.
No.
Oh, yes, yes.
Go looking
Oh,
closer.
go look over
Go
there.
closer,
go by
baby.
the door over there. Go look by that pink thing. On the floor, maybe. No, over there, by that pink thing. On the floor. Yep. Turn around. No, come here, come back. Right there, I think. Look at that pink thing.
Oh, there. The yellow one.
The yellow one.
Okay.
Mhm.
You
Is
find it.
is that getting heavy for you?
Happy.
Is it getting heavy for you?
No.
No?
Oops.
Oh, got it.
You got. I got it.
All right, there's
What is it?
one
Show
more.
mommy.
One. Big.
One big one now.
It's too heavy.
It's too heavy?
No.
No?
What
Well,
I
is
want.
it or isn't it?
What I want.
Go looking for it.
I think I saw the bunny rabbit going that way. In Grandma's bedroom.
Go ahead.
Oh. There it is.
Oh, the big one.
Oh,
Big.
see?
That one.
That's it.
Wow.
That. Whoa, that's it.
Oh. What I want.
That's it.
That's it. All done.
Bunny
Let's
rabbit.
count how many you got. How many candy you got from the bunny rabbit?
Oh. Yeah. Oh. It's not going near. Here.
He's hiding.
Very hiding.
See, after the bunny rabbit left here, he went to somebody else's house. I think he went to little Mikey's house.
No.
Yeah, he went and hid all the eggs for them to find. So you found the eggs, and then he went to somebody else, everybody's house to find eggs.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Because that's what he does on Easter. He puts all the Easter eggs all over.
What?
You say thank you, bunny rabbit.
Thank you.
Thank you for all the candy.
Thank you, Rabbit.
And tell bunny rabbit, I will be a good girl. You tell bunny rabbit.
He's hiding.
Yeah.
Didn't you find the